Hi, welcome to Kingston Library's Virtual Steampunk. My name's Leanne.
And I'm Cass. And today we are going to be talking a little bit about marble runs that you can make in your home. We're going to show you a marble run that we made earlier, and Leanne is going to read us a story about gravity and forces.
Going to read for you today I Fall Down by Vicki Cobb, published by HarperCollins. I fall down. You know what happens when you trip? You fall down. Ow. Know what happens when you spill your milk? It drips down. Throw a ball up in the air? Watch what happens. It goes up for a short time, then falls down. Try tossing other things up in the air. Your mum's keys? A block? When something falls, which way does it fall? Does it ever fall up? Know what makes things fall? It's a force called gravity. As long as you are on Earth, you can't get away from it. Gravity is always pulling things. You know which way? Down, down, down. You can see how gravity pulls. Take a spoonful of molasses or honey and point the spoon down so that the goo dribbles back into the jar. Watch it drip. The goo stretches and gets longer and longer. It looks like a ribbon streaming into the jar. Gravity pulls the molasses from the spoon back into the jar. Do some things fall faster than others? Try it and see. Hold a coin and a key in one hand. Open your hands so they both start falling at the same time. Listen and watch as they hit the floor. Did either the coin or the key win the race, or was it a tie? Have lots of dropping races. Drop all sorts of things. Things fall so fast it's hard to tell if there is a winner or a loser. But no matter whether the objects are big or small, it seems that there is always a tie. The only time you have a clear loser is when you drop something that the wind could easily blow away, such as a feather or a tissue. You see air fighting gravity only with very light objects. If there were no air, you would find that gravity pulls everything at the same speed. Astronauts proved this on the moon, where there is no air. Every dropping race was a tie. Amazing, but true.
So here's our marble run that we put together earlier. Let's show you how it works.
Yay!
So this is something really easy that you can do at home. If you've got masking tape, if you've got paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls, if you've got Lego or Duplo, if you've got little boxes, anything from tea boxes to muesli boxes to cereal boxes, you can definitely make your very own marble run at home.
Get creative. We hope you have fun with it. Enjoy.
Don't forget to send us pictures of your creation on our Facebook page. We'd love to see some there.
Bye.